Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Crochet Fashion Area. I hope you all guys will be fine and safe. Where we dive into the mesmerizing world of crochet creativity. Today I'm thrilled to share with you some breathtaking crochet design that will inspire your next project. But before we unravel this yarn filled adventure, let's jump right into the colorful and cozy world of crochet design. Are you ready to embark on an exciting journey with us? Let's begin the journey in today's video. We are going to explore our best crochet collection. We have different types of crochet design. If you want to see different crochet design, you must visit our channel. There we regularly explore our new crochet design. New ideas all crochet designs collection. Beautiful and different color combination crochet pizza keychain designs collection. Beautiful color crochet pizza keychain pattern. In this video, we show you the some crochet pizza keychain pattern designs. These are all collection are very useful. These are all handmade crochet pizza keychain designs collection. We always have some stylish and luxury collection of crochet pizza keychain pattern. I hope you will enjoy the video. Do not forget to subscribe the bell icon and also join our growing family. Our every video is a new adventure for you. Thanks for watching my video.